Do you understand how a water level works? You understand
it
that when you have
establishes
the
a horizontal plane of reference. Yes, I do.
Correct. Based on the top of the columns of water, correct?
Yes.
Great. So if one column of water is higher than the other, what happens?
It equalizes, doesn't it?
Correct, because they have to reach equal gravitational potential.
And a horizontal plane of reference, right, Bob?
It's called an equal gravitational potential.
It's called a horizontal plane of reference.
Stop telling me what it's called. I'm telling you what it is called. It is an equal gravitational potential. Bob, and no matter how many of those
you sound like a knob if you did that on a building site.
I don't care.
It's a horizontal plane of reference.
I'm explaining to you how it works. It's called equal gravitational potential. Now, you can have a pipe with a series of pipes coming straight up from it and fill that with water. And the top of every level of water in those pipes will be at equal gravitational potential. If you fill up one higher than the others, it will come down to equalize with all the others. And if you look at that over a long distance, that'll be curved. The top of those water levels will be curved because they all have equal gravitational potential.
Not horizontal then. So you think it's not horizontal, right?
That is the definition of horizontal. That is the definition of horizontal. Equal gravitational potential. Yes.
No, you can't have that.
The funny part is that, but the funny part is for a spirit level is you have those two levels. You have those two pipes that have the water at equal levels. They establish a horizontal plane for a point exactly between the two pipes. That's the funny part about this.
Right. So are you having a bendy horizontal like Bob or?
All right. So here you go. This is easy. Now, if you have a long pipe that's 2 miles long, okay. All right. Right in the middle of it, at the 1 mile mark, you have a pipe sticking up that has a water level.
Have you just been looking at my thing? It's just been on screen, this, Bob.
All right. So, yeah, I'm going to see whether or not you understand it. Now, if that middle pipe, okay, great. If that middle pipe right there has a water level that is 12 inches above the level of the pipe. Now, does that mean that on either side, those water levels will be 8 inches higher so that they are in a straight line with the middle pipes?
I don't know what you're talking about. They will establish a horizontal plane of reference.
Do you see the two pipes that are a mile apart? Are you saying that those pipes that are on each end a mile away from the center pipe will be
red ones or the blue ones, Bob? Red ones or blue?
Both of them. Doesn't matter.
What?
Doesn't matter, both of them. Are you saying that those will be 8 inches higher than the three in the middle?
Yeah. I'm saying that they will be a horizontal plane of reference.
No, are you saying they will be 8 inches higher on the ends than in the middle? They'll be 20 inches high on the ends.
No, I'm saying they will be a horizontal frame of reference.
So you agree that they will be 12 inches above the ground, just like the middle pipes are.
No, Bob. He's saying this is going to be the same distance than this one. Then this one is going to be just you throw a straight horizontal, flat, straight line, and it's going to be equally here.
That would require it to be 8 inches higher on the ends in order to level out and be straight.
Bob, plane. Yeah. Did you hear that word? Plane.
Bob, he doesn't believe Earth is a sphere like you do, Bob.
Planes aren't. Is a mathematical statement, isn't it? A plane in maths has all of the straight lines on it, right, Bob?
So,
well, how does that have to do with the Earth?
What's that have to do with the Earth?
Well, you just said it was 12 inches higher. I mean, how can that happen if it's on a plane?
8 inches per mile squared, right?
Yeah, it's not on a plane. It's not on a plane because the Earth isn't flat.
It's 8 inches per mile square. So the ones on the end have to be 8 inches higher.
Horizontal then, or horizontal?
That is horizontal.
Right.
So horizontal right now with them all being 12 inches
we made a statement called bendyzontal just for people that bend horizontally.
Do you believe water is bendy?
Like you.
Do you believe water
phenomenal,
is
Bob? Absolutely phenomenal.
Oh, so you don't believe water bends then, eh?
I don't believe horizontal lines bend, Bob. No.
All right. So do you agree that the surface of water is always horizontal?
It establishes a horizontal plane of reference. That's what a water.
And you
level
understand that
does.
that it responds to forces acting on it, including the force of gravity and any other forces that are acting
There we
on
go.
it, right?
There we go. Yeah. He doesn't.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Do you say something acts on it perpendicularly?
I'm saying that the
Because
surface
I'll go
of the
along with
water.
that. If you want to say you have something that acts in a vertical direction and that is perpendicular,
That's not what I'm
and
saying.
that's what happens.
I'm
to
saying
the water.
that the surface
I'll
of the
have
water is the equal potential point. Do you
All of
understand
it.
that?
Yeah. I
Okay,
know
so
how
you
a
understand
water,
that could be flat or curved or any other shape, right?
it's a
Bob,
horizontal, Bob.
Bob, and try thinking, Bob. This is being just a back and forth. It's not going to be an interrogation. If you ask a question, you gotta have to wait the yes or no and the why. We're not going to go to these interrogation yes or no questions, please. Like
Not a
back to
problem.
back.
I'll just put up a picture of bendy water and call it a day. I mean, I'm fine with that.
Sweet.
All
It
right.
was a bendyzontal.